Lami. Uy, amo. Halo-halo. Magikaon lang ay.
Ingon si ate hino.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Day Ganggang. I wish na daghan pang birthday maabot sa inyong kinabuhi. We miss you. Amping. God bless.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Birthday Glicilia, I wish you all the best. Love you. God bless. Oops, ko pa kasi yung mga pictures.
Hi gang, happy birthday to you. I know nga happy kayo ka and your heart is still starting for this new milestone. I thank God for your life and for having you as my sister-in-law. I wish you all the best and may God continue to fulfill the desires of your heart. I declare protection, provision, and abundant blessings in your life and your family as well. Just trust in God wholeheartedly and lean not on your own understanding, knowing that He is always with you. And here's a motivation from what the Lord God says in Deuteronomy 31 verse 6. Be strong and courageous, do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Once again, happy birthday, and I miss you. Enjoy your life, enjoy your day, and I love you. Bye!
Ice or asin?
Birthday, Tita Ganggang. Happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Kusga. Happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Kamu, kusga. Happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. Happy birthday, Tita Ganggang. I love you, I miss you.
Malipayong pagsaulog sa imong adlong natawhan. Ang akong mga panghinaot nga unta ikaw, hatagan og maayong panglawas sa kanunay ug ang kalipay sa matag adlaw nimong panginabuhi, padayon sa imong pagpaningkamot ug pag-amping kanunay.
Hello gang, happy birthday! Nako mensahe gamay nimo gang. Today is the beginning of a new chapter filled with endless possibilities and dreams coming true. Wishing you the courage to chase your dreams and the strength to achieve them. Happy birthday, and every year is a new opportunity to grow, learn, and create the life you envision. Once again, happy birthday!
Hi gang, kumusta? Happy birthday. Bisan permit nang magkalalis. Mahal ta jud ka gyapon ako gang. Happy birthday. Manginaot ko nga mayo mo panglawas diha o makabuot ni mo imong mga pangandoy. I love you.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Mamingaw ko ni mo ma. I love you. I miss you to. I miss you.
Hi Keg, happy birthday. Hinaatanda ko nga nata sa mayong panglawas diha o labi na nga kanang bago pa ka diha o pa ka maanad sa panahon o bahin sa namo dire ayaw lang may kabak kay okay ra mi dire. Dili lang na tas-on ang great nimo, focus ra diha o I love you.